welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to turn all of these apples into a few different recipes. Now each recipe is going to have its own video, so keep an eye out for those. We are going to use my dehydrator to make some apple chips. We're going to make some more apple butter because it's my dad's favorite. We're going to make homemade applesauce, and we're going to use the leftover scraps to make homemade apple cider. The first thing we're gonna have to do for all of these recipes is get these apples peeled, cored, and sliced. So let's go ahead and do that now. So the first thing we wanna do is get a nice large bowl with some water and lemon juice. This will prevent the apples from browning as they kind of oxidize in the air. So if you just sprinkle in some lemon juice to your water, it will prevent that. Then we're going to want to wash our apples. Up next, we're going to peel and slice and core our apples using this tool here. So you're just going to skewer this onto the end and start turning. And it is that simple. This machine will slice them into rings. I am going to take off any of the ones that have skin. You know, it missed a few pieces of skin here. It's really not a huge deal. And then I'm going to go ahead and slice them in half like that and toss them in our water to make sure it doesn't turn brown. Now, I'm not going to get rid of these cores or these peels because that is what we're going to use to make our vinegar. So let's keep going. About an hour and a half later, we finally got all of these apples peeled, cored, sliced, all of that. I'm going to save the scraps for our vinegar, and here are the apples for our recipes. So let's go. To make apple chips in the dehydrator, what I'm going to do is lay the firmest slices out on our dehydrator sheets and sprinkle them with a little bit of cinnamon and sugar on one side. So I'm going to mix up some cinnamon sugar here just to make it easier. Okay, now we're just going to sprinkle these lightly with a cinnamon sugar mixture. And then we will continue this process for all 9 of my trays, since I definitely have enough to do all 9 trays. Alright, I probably should have done these to begin with, because now that they have sat in their lemon water for a while, a lot of the apples started breaking apart and becoming mushy. So I ended up not filling every single tray, but we'll just see how this goes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put the lid on the front here. And then we're gonna set our temperature to about 140 for 8 hours. After about 2 hours or so, I may come check these and see if I need to flip them if they're sticking. Otherwise, I'll just leave it in here. 8 hours is going to be the minimum these need. They may need up to 12. So I'll be back when these are done. All right, it has been about 4 hours since we started this dehydrator. So I'm gonna pull one out and just kind of feel them. They are still very bendable and squishy, so they definitely need more time, but they smell delicious. They're not sticking, so I haven't had to flip them, So we'll just let them keep cooking and check on them when the timer goes off and see if they need more time. All right, our timer is just about to beep. So it has been 8 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and check on our apple chips here. And as you can see, they are still very, very bendy and flexible. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in for probably another 4 hours, and then I will check on them in the morning because it is time for me to go to bed. Okay, it is the next morning, so we're gonna go ahead and check on these. We let them go another 4 hours last night. Oh yeah, those are perfect. All right, we'll get these jarred up and just stored in kind of an airtight container, and that's that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Thanks guys, bye.